Hey guys, so I'm trying to vamp up my painting space. I currently paint in my bedroom and I have a little corner close to my desk where I set up a nice IKEA stool and a portable easel on top of it. And that's what I've been using to paint for like the past year, maybe a little bit, yeah, for the past year. And I just want to show you where I started off my rediscovery of painting late 2018. I would paint right here. So I just used a tabletop, made my first painting in late 2018. This is after a very long hiatus, by the way. Right here on this table. It was sufficient for a bit. Then I progressed to using these two chairs were the easel that I used to create that painting. And so I used these two chairs to hold the painting. Use those as very, very cheap easels and just use some good old natural sunlight to light up the space. Like the dining area was really kind of where I spent my time making my earlier paintings. So this is my current setup. I use a little portable easel with a stool underneath right now. I'm not liking it a lot. So I used that setup when I was kind of shifting and redoing my room. It was fun, but I just don't enjoy crouching over. I kind of hunch over on my chair to reach the easel and it kind of hurts my back. So I'm gonna turn this corner behind me into a little paint studio corner. I just need to go get the easel. What I have in mind is just to put an easel there, as well as getting a high bar stool, you know what I'm saying? And maybe something with a tray, maybe a fold out tray. I wanna use the window more. Hopefully the idea is to turn this corner into a natural daylight receiving studio. I wanna get rid of this, so a lot of these books are gonna go to donation. Stool is almost there. Just adding some more stuff to it. Easel's pretty much done. Super proud of it. Let's go. Chase down my heart through all of my failure and pride. I just got done with my new painting setup in my bedroom and I'm really happy with the way things came out. I'm currently sitting on the stool and I just love it. It's just the perfect height to keep me sort of in an almost stood up position and upright. The easel itself was very easy to assemble and easy to adjust. I will say I think I'm going to use the canvas, the palette holder more as like a palette rest thing. I will probably continue to hold the palette as I paint. So that was a bit finicky and I have it like kind of resting against the wall. So it is a bit light, it is a bit loose. I got it for about $90. Other things that I've always kind of had in my room for painting were my two IKEA painting boxes. They kind of hold my paints and they're gonna be next to me on the side against the wall. The easel that I got has like these holes to hold paintbrushes, so I think that's really cool too. Like I'm gonna be able to put my paintbrushes in there. If you have any tips and any ways that you want to renovate your room and maybe some ideas you have for your own space, please put them in the comments below. I would love to know. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I post music, skate, draw, paint content on here. Girls Queer Skateboarding here in Los Angeles. And I love you guys. Like this video if you like this video. And I'll see you very soon. Keep it posted. Follow on IG. I will see you later.